हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। गाइस, आज शॉपिंग करने गए हो और शॉपिंग मॉल में सब इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं, तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? आज वही सीखेंगे। लेकिन शॉपिंग करने के लिए आप अकेले तो नहीं जाओगे, दोस्त के साथ जाओगे। तो चलो दोस्त को कॉल करते हैं। हेलो लिली। हेलो स्वीटी। व्हाट आर यू डूइंग टुमारो? आर यू फ्री? Yes, I am free tomorrow. Will you come for shopping tomorrow? Yes, I want to go. I like shopping. Let us go tomorrow. Okay. Hello Lily. Hello sweetie. The mall is very big. Let's go inside. How this dress is so beautiful. But its price is too high. This dress is nice. You should try it on. Excuse me, where is the trial room? Go straight and take a right. Wow, this shoe is so pretty. How much is its price? Wow, this necklace is so beautiful. What is the price of the necklace? How nice is the bag? What is the price of the bag? Sweetie, what did you buy? I did not like anything special. What did you like, Lily? I bought this designer dress and matching shoe. That's great. I have to make a payment. I will check it 1 minute and let you know. Ma'am, your bill is 5000 rupees. Thank you. Welcome. It's very hot today. Let's go eat ice cream. What flavor of ice cream do you want it? Chocolate flavor, and which flavor do you like? I like strawberry ice cream. Hello, please give me one chocolate ice cream and one strawberry ice cream. The ice cream is very tasty. तो गाइस, आज का क्लास यहीं तक था। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में। ओके, बाय।